Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again with indaba eregada ama-transfer news la eSouth Africa. Amathimba amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Sizoqala ngey'ndaba esivuke ngazo namhlanje. Mamelodi Sundowns today they announced the departures of two players okuLebohang Maboe benoRivato Kgosi bafethu. uLebohang Maboe ke udlali lo bafethu bemlonele kuSuperSport United. Right now icontract yakhe ngiye bakwazi ukuyiqhubeka kuSundowns, jida ngeyasayidlalela Mamelodi Sundowns. Same uRivato Kgosi ke umdlalo ubehlushwa kakhulu ama-injuries yabo. I-contract yakhe nje ne-Sundowns bekukancane ukuthi bayi-renew yabo, so umjida uzoshiya as a free agent. Two of these players bama-free agent right now. Asazi ukuthi imaphi ama-team afuna ukubasayina, but ke bama-quality labadlali laba. Sazi singababona mhlawumbe bedlalela maybe one of the big three teams ungayi-include iMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe singababona mhlawumbe bedlalela iSteelers, maybe singababona bedlalela iKaizer, asazi. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje kuthiwa uRhulani Mokwena has rejected two offers from the Gulf region as they are not the right fit for him right now. Yabo kuthiwa ama-talks with him and iPyramids have stalled. Umjida ufuna iPyramids, but ke Pyramids currently isaney'nkinga. Iy'nkulumo between yena nePyramids isamile kwamanje. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje menikhumbula kahle izolo I spoke about uYusuf Maart being linked with the club eqhamuka le eEurope, leyo club leyo yase-Austria yabo. Liphumile ke igama le club namhlanje kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs captain Yusuf Maart has left the club to join SV Red in Austria. SV Red is also home to South Africa's Antonio van Wyk. Menikhumbula kuVan Wyk ulomdlalo obedlalela eStellenbosch. Umjida bafethu usezodlalela iSV Red yale eAustria bafethu. Imfiselo okuhle ke uYusuf Maart aqhubeke arepresent iSouth Africa lapha. Yabo abadlali abaningi abasuka kwiKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ama-fans akhona abawa-rate kakhulu ama-players, but ke when they go outside they often shine kwamanye ama-team adlala le Europe. Abadlali abanjengongezana nje. Ngisakhuluma ngoNgezana, uSiyabonga Ngezana adds another trophy to his collection edlala kule club ayidlalelayo le FSCB yabo. Kuthiwa nomjida lo bawinile bedlala neclub ekuthiwa iCFR Cluj 2-1 yabo to win the Romanian Super Cup. Umjida bafethu usenama trophy amaningi kule club ayidlalelayo umjida yabo. So wenza kahle kakhulu Siyabonga Ngezana lapha, and ukwenza kahle kwakhe kumnikeza ithuba lokuthi akhethwe uHugo Broos kusquad seBafana Bafana. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje bafethu uDarren Keats una 35 years old uzoshiya iCape Town City after 4 years at the club. He has been linked with iSkhukhune United, so umjida useyishiyile ke bafethu Cape Town City yabo. I spoke about uDarren Keats kuma video adlule. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje sekupromote ama-team awu-3 aqhamuka kwi-ABC Motsepe League. Lama club lawa uyibani iDabies eqhamuka le eMpumalanga, kube iGomora United eqhamuka le eGauteng, mase kuba iMidland Wanderers eqhamuka eKZN. Lama team lawa seyodlala kwi-NFD bafethu. Indaba ezinhleke lezi sibona ama-team amasha. Lama team lawa anethuba elikhulu ukuthi ayodlala kwi-Betway Premiership. Meyasenze kahle nje next season kwi-NFD angayithola esedlala kwi-Betway Premiership yabo. Ama-team anjengoGomora United, The Bees, Midland Wanderers. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje bafethu i-updates isiprovadiwe ngoGilbert. uGilbert ko umdlali lo odlalela iOrlando Pirates, but iOrlando Pirates ibimlonile uGilbert, imlonelele kwiPetro de Luanda club vele yamthenga khona. Petro de Luanda are keen to keep uGilbert for another season yabo. Okwamanje akakaconfirm ukuthi they want him on a loan noma they want him through a sale, but they are keen to keep uGilbert for another season. uGilbert usenikwe i-time off after helping iAngola iwin iCOSAFA yabo. iCOSAFA ke ile tournament le yadi idlala iBafana Bafana at the part of iCOSAFA, so they beat iBafana Bafana kwi-final. uGilbert was part of those players, so umjida unikezwe i-time off ukuthi athi ukurelaxa kancane cause ade idlala iCOSAFA. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje Motsepe Foundation Championship side University of Pretoria has made a decision on the future of a striker uThamsanqa Nqakabuza after his contract with the club expired. So bafethu uThamsanqa Nqakabuza ngiyazi ayidlalela i-University of Pretoria ama-Tuks. Umjida bafethu right now uyi-free agent. Kwezinye izindaba ey'phume namhlanje i-midfield uKamohelo Sithole ona 28 years old has been spotted at Marumo Gallants after his exit from iSkhukhune United. Akakabi kodwa clear ukuthi umjida usesayinile noma uyajima, but ke yena spotted ejima because mwasubheka ama-exits aseshawe iSkhukhune this season. Umjida lo uLloyd Gazupao ushilo iSkhukhune, kuba uKamohelo Sithole, kuba uMiguel Antonio Diaz, kubu Alves Kangoso, kubu Lindo Kuhle Mtshali, Bandra Anli Sangare Katlego Mkhabela, kubu Pogiso Mahlangu. So bayachitha ngempela, ibona abadlali laba abachithwe isikhukhune so far. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa umdlali weStellenbosch FC uFaze Abrahams is set to jet off to eSerbia yabo uyoshaya i-10-day trial with iclub engashiwonga igama lawo yase-Israel yabo. Umjida uyoshaya i-pre-season camp lapha eSerbia uyojima neclub yase-Israel. Kuthiwa umjida bethu is expected to fly to Serbia early next week. Umjida ngenzeka abafethu abe new player ezodlala le eIsrael yala eSouth Africa. Asazi nje nginezimpi ezikhona le Israel ngaba umbono omuhle but ke iStellenbosch basayikhuluma indaba yakhe umjida ukuthi bangamdayisa bamdayisele iclub yale eIsrael. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu enye futhi team yase-Austria. Enye team yase-Austria bafethu ifuna ukusayina umjida wala eSouth Africa. Uvuyo leclub abafethu lo mjida lo bafethu sengakhuluma ngayo. I spoke about this player. This player is one of the great left backs akhona la kwi-Betway Premiership. Yabo kuthiwa a prestigious club in the Austrian Bundesliga has submitted their proposal for Sekhukhune United and Bafana left back uvuyo leclub. About the Jomo Cosmos product has done well for Sekhukhune and his maiden season and continues to grow in the left back position. So Sekhukhune United ngeke bangamdayisi. Yabo mekufika i-team eqhamuka le. Mekufika i-team eqhamuka le bazofuna impela ukumdayisa umjida because umjida uyi-quality and ama-team ale ayabona. Yabo since nje iMamelodi Sundowns yenza kahle ama-team amaningi ale Europe ayafika la abheke ukuthi abadlali badlala kanjani. Yabo so nje thina as South Africans we must brace ourselves. There are many players abazosayina besayina ama-team adlala le Europe. So uvuyo leclub is one of those players ongenzeka bafethu ahambe ngempela because iclub isikhulumile nesikhukhune. Kwezinye izindaba eziqhamuka namhlanje bafethu Richards Bay FC isistrengthenile futhi squad sayo. They've signed a new striker. Striker ke lesi bafethu indaba zayo tricky but ke uLundi Mahala bafethu who recently departs from iHighbury FC and right back Halisani Vilakazi from newly promoted side Orbit College. The striker lesi bafethu senza eyibukwayo lapha kwiKhaba Cup. Senza eyibukwayo kwiKhaba Cup so iRichards Bay decide ukumsayina umjida. Yabo decide ukumsayina abasayina lo mjida lo oqhamuka kwiOrbit College. So iRichards Bay bafethu iyaqinisa ngempela lapha emuva. Yabo ngingakahambi bafethu umdlali ona 43 years old wayedlalela Orlando Pirates uRoy Mahamut. uRoy Mahamut bethu he was part of the squad lesi esikwazile ukuthi siyongena kweNFD bafethu. iGomora United umjida udlalela iGomora United uyisizile ukuthi iwin against iMidland Wanderers. Yabo so kuyangijabulisa impela ukubona izinto ezikanje bafethu abadlali basadlala right now 43 years old. Imagine cabanga ngoba abadlali ababedlala kwi-2010 World Cup ababedlala le Europe basakhona namanje abo Ronaldo Messi basadlala namanje but thina la eSouth Africa if you can tell me one player owedlala kwi-World Cup yango-2010 la eSouth Africa akekho isho no-1 kulesa squad esasikhona but if you can compare abadlali bali nabala yabo so kuyangijabulisa ukubona uRoy Mahamut ona 43 years old esashisa ngempela. Yabo i-team uyisizile ukuthi ikwazi upromote kweNFD. I hope bazokwazi futhi bakhuphuke bafike kwiBetway Premiership. Ngabe umlando loyo, ngabe umlando omkhulu kakhulu ukuthi umdlali maybe phela mhlawumbe sebefike kwiBetway uyobe sebe na 45. Yabo so ngabe umlando omkhulu kakhulu. Kuyangijabulisa ukubona izinto ezikanje. Ngawuthi abadlali abaningi baqhubeka badlale. Melisakhona nje uthando lebhola uqhubeke udlale.